In this video, let us understand how to make free school franchisee administration. So we all know like the major brands giving the franchises. So after giving the franchisee, you need to support them. In order to support, online administration is required. So here is such an idea. So it's a web application project, and we show the demo in ASP.NET with C# backend as a SQL server. But still this application can be developed using different languages like JSP, PHP or Python. So here the idea is it is a preschool, so then they'll start the franchises in the different cities and they need to give the support, and the communication is very important with the school. So in order to provide a communication, so we need to build the application. So that is a free school administration application. So here we'll understand what are the things are required for this and how do we do this project. What are the modules are required, that we'll discuss here, and we'll show the demo also. First let us look at the modules. So free school module, so here is we can have an admin module. This for the free school, so they can manage this site admin. Then the school, okay, so this is the franchisee. So for franchisee you need to provide this is CHISE franchisee. So here franchisee can log in, they can go to main page. So here they can enter the student list, who are all the students joined for the course. They can enter the student details, then they can see the list. Next is the royalty fee, because from each student what are the money collected, so you need to pay to the main here, so there is a royalty. So next is material requirement, what are the materials are required, so that you can send the request required. Right, so then we can have a view message and send message to make the communication. So here also in this case, so here we can see because we provide a franchisee throughout India, we can take the state detail, district detail, then what are the list, what are the entries are done, so that list, okay, student list, so this is a student list. Then royalty list, what are the royalty they paid, that list has to come here. Then material request, so based on that again you have to send the material to the franchisee. Again here also view message and the send message, so we can have a communication via your own website, send message. So these are the options which are required for this project, that I'll show you like demonstrating it, then you'll get a more idea how we can make this project. So here are the options in the admin. So in the admin we can enter the state names corresponding list, district names corresponding list, center detail, that is franchisee details in the corresponding list, then qualification, profession, then list, class details, what are the classes we conduct, that list, student admission list, royalty received, material request, send message and the view message. On the other side, student admission, royalty, this is what I explained already. So we'll see this once you run the project. Now let's see the demo. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also for more videos, right click on iBricks tutorials and then open in a new tab. So here you can see the different projects. So if you're doing a computer science course and you need to do a project, so definitely you require a different title. So here we have a different titles in a different languages. Browse them once, and also which are the one you are interested, you watch that, and in each video we try to explain one or the other concept. Combining 3-4 videos, you'll get a lot of informations. Using that you can make your project. Therefore anything related to the project, anything to learn any languages, so in our channel we have a lot of videos. Keep watch, keep learn, so therefore you can get a good job. Right, so now we'll move on to Visual Studio. So here we have Visual Studio. So we already opened the project. Soon we will start the series like how we can make all these projects step by step, but that will take a very long time. So here briefly I'll explain the whole project. You will get a clear picture, so you have an idea like how the whole thing works. So once you have that idea, then easy for you to understand and write the program. Right, so on this side we have Server Explorer. If I expand this, I can see the tables. So these are the tables which you are using in this project. Now let us run the project. So we'll take to the main page, that is the default.axpx. So here is the first page. So we can enter. So we'll take to next page. From here we can enter. So here for franchisee, for parent, for carriers. So if it tells franchisees, they can apply for the franchisee and then franchisee login. So now they'll want to apply. So we select the state here. Okay, first we'll go to admin. So there we'll enter the state. So therefore here's the admin option. So you go to admin. So here is the state. If you go to list, there is no states are not entered. So let's enter one state, Karnataka. So about Karnataka you need to write Karnataka state. So save. Now if you go to list, there is a Karnataka here. So next district we need to enter. So if you go to district, I can select Karnataka here. District name. So in case now there is a dummy data ASDF, if you don't want this data, so this is already there in the database. Okay, so therefore we need to take it out. So if I go to tables, so here is a state table. Right click, show table data. So I can click on this, I can delete from here. Fine. So now that ASDF won't come, then you can have a Bangalore. So we need to write more about Bangalore here. I'll just put simply Bangalore city. But in real time you want to enter the real time data, so therefore you need to collect more data and then you have to enter. So here if what are the centers we are having, we can enter all the center details. Qualifications and profession for the users. Then class details, what are the classes are there, that class names you have to enter here. So pre-nursery, nursery or LKG, UKG, all we need to enter here. So now what we can do is we can copy this. We'll take one more tab and you can paste it here. So you can enter, then you can enter, so franchise. So apply for franchisee. So what is the person name? So let's say Ramesh. Parent name some Raju. Address. We can complete the complete address. So state name, district, mobile number, and then email ID. Right. So I can save this. So the data what you entered, so it reached the database. So from there admin can get all the informations. So the next what you can do is, so once admin is approved, they can able to log in here. So here they provide the login ID and the corresponding password. So login. Now here in this center they can enter the student details. So register number, then admission fee, all this is there. So register number I can start with 1002. Name Seema Ranjit. So we need to enter the address here. So complete the address and the mobile number. I'll take some dummy mobile number here. So this is a free nursery. So admission fees. Okay, so 60,000 rupees. Now we can save this. So record saved. Then you have to make the royalty payment. So what are the money collected? From that you have to make the at least 30% to the royalty. So now here you can see pre-nursery number of students. So presently 1, but totally how many enrollment done, based on that you need to make the payment. So you're supposed to make around 18,000 rupees as a payment. So here is the dummy payment. So therefore you can just say can card payment. Transaction number. Right. So that's indicative that you make the payment to the center. Then request for a material. So you can, what materials are required, that you need to send them a request. Pre-nursery books. Right. So quantity. So we want put together ton quantity, therefore you can give ton. So we are expecting admission this month. So save this. So indicative that we are requesting for 10 books for the free school. So apart from this, anything else, you can send the message and then we can view the message. Now you can see student admission list. So here you can, the student is joined. That list admin can able to view it. And royalty received. So you can see that one royalty come. So that is 18,000 received by the admin. The next is the material request. So if there any request comes, that will admin know. Then they'll arrange this material. And after that you can send the message or view the message, common procedure that they can do. So these are things at this moment it's ordered in the admin and in the franchisee. So hope you understand the concept. At the entry level, I think this will do the job. So later we can add up more and more options. That will take time, but try this. I think it will do the job. So if anything else you want to know, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. And keep watch, keep learn. Have a good job. Okay. Thank you very much.